Hey, what's up, guys? My name's Clayton J, and today I'm gonna be reacting to this TikTok, okay? Gotta set my gum wrapper to the side, right there. I put it inside a gum wrapper, okay, guys? Okay. Alright, so I'm gonna be reacting to this TikTok. Yeah, I wanna say, first of all, well, two things. First of all, I'm wearing a hat, guys. What do you guys think? My hair is getting really long now, and it's getting crazy. Like, look, this is bedhead. I just woke up. But look at that. It's crazy long. So you're going to be seeing hats unless I cut my hair. But the thing is, I kind of want to grow out my hair, Why not? I don't know. We'll see what happens. So, yeah. I first want to say, everyone, I mean, you guys probably already know, but this is my opinion. It's my YouTube channel. I'm going to have my own opinions. So, like, if I offend anyone, I'm sorry. Like, I don't mean to. I try to be open with all my opinions and everything. This is just what I think, because this is about trans guys, and I'm a trans guy. And I kind of just want to tell my opinion, because that guy's a trans guy, I'm a trans guy, so that was his opinion. I'm going to tell you my opinion. You guys tell me your opinion down in the comments below. Everything's always right, like, I'm not going to, like, bash on you hard, maybe not, I don't know, we'll see what happens. I mean, I would like to have, like, sometimes if I have something that's not the same opinion as yours, I will have, like, a little debate down in the comments. Go.
Alright, so I haven't had this conversation in a while, and I am not about to argue about the nuances and definitions of labels and identities, because at the end of the day, it doesn't matter. But what I will say is that nobody's label or identity changes accordingly based on somebody else's identity. My identity and label as a queer trans man is not affected or influenced by anybody else in the world. It's who I am as an individual person. And our partners are individual people as well, with their own labels and identities. We have to get past this place where we put so much weight and importance on our own identity that we think that it changes something fundamental about who somebody else is.
Oliver. Okay, so he's a cool guy. I first want to say, like, he's a cool guy. I actually think I follow him. I don't know for sure. This is Allison's phone. My phone's recording. I think I'm following him, though. I literally follow any trans guy that pops up on my For You page. So I think I am following him. He's a cool guy. Like, I'm not bashing on him. That's his opinion. That's what he thinks. Cool. Like, that's the way he lives life, and that's awesome. Like, I'm proud of him for thinking like that, because he's thinking, like, everyone can be anyone. Even if I date you, I'm going to date a lesbian. Like, they're not going to change their label just because they're dating me, which, that's awesome. I like how you have that mindset, but my mindset's a little bit different. I'm trans as well. I would have so much dysphoria, I feel like, dating a lesbian, I don't go for the straight girls. I go for, or anyone, like, I don't go for anyone that's straight anyways, because, first of all, the thing with me is I like, people that are a part of the community, I don't want to, like, have them not be a part of the community and, like, force them into it, The camera's a little crooked. Do you understand what I'm saying? Like, I don't want to, like, force people into our community, but that's why I like to have people that are already in the community, that already know a little bit more, that's had to go through some of the stuff I've went through, but obviously being trans and being, like, bi are two different things. So I go for, like, people that are, like, bi or pan, because that's, like, what I am. I will date anyone if they're awesome, like, I'm not gonna date them what kind of genitals they have or anything like that. I date them because of the person they are and if we can connect, so yeah, I want to say I would be offended if, let's just say me and my partner, okay, they're a lesbian, okay, my partner's, this is just like a scenario, that's not real. My partner's lesbian, and I'm trans guy, I'm straight, or bi, whatever, and we're hanging out, I meet her friends, and her friends don't know about me, and her friends are like, oh, hey, what's up, and then, like, hey, this is my boyfriend. Wait, I thought you were a lesbian, because what I know, like, comment down below, this is what I know, I might search it up really quick. What I know, the definition of lesbian is a girl, girl on girl, two girls loving up on each other, two girls dating, that's what I think as lesbian. I don't know, maybe that's not what lesbian means. I think of two girls. So, like, if my partner identify as a girl who likes girls, I would be embarrassed, because that kind of means trans guys aren't real men, like, trans guys are not real men, because a lesbian would not be into a cisgender guy, right? So why would a lesbian be into a transgender guy? You understand? we're the same as a cisgender guy. Yeah, some of our, like, I have the same chest as a cisgender guy. Yeah, my bottom is not the same yet, but someday it might be. But even if not, like, it's still, my bottom is still different than a cis girl, you know. I bet on testosterone, like, things are different down there than a cisgender girl. Obviously not, like, 100% different, but it is different, you know. But I just think that's weird, because then, like, what's going to happen after you get all your surgeries? Like, and I feel like, I don't know, I just hate labels, like, that kind of labels. That's why I just like just the normal bilingual language. Because I feel like lesbian means you're into V's, you know, vaginas, and boobs, you know, which girls have. So, I feel like, why would you be into a trans guy? I mean, yeah, sometimes they might not have full surgeries, but I'm getting there. I'm getting to all my surgeries coming up soon, hopefully soon, if I get enough money. But I've already had my top surgery, you know. I'm going to get my hysterectomy. Hopefully, I want this year to get my hysterectomy. And then after that, it's just bottom surgery. And then, boom, I have all my surgeries, you know. So a lesbian should not be into me one bit, you know. I mean, they can think I'm attractive, you know, because everyone's different. Like, you can think, I feel like you can still think people are attractive and not be into them, if that makes sense. But like, actually dating a trans guy and you're a lesbian, that just, that cringes me out. Comment down what you guys think. I'm gonna search up what lesbian means. Siri, what does lesbian mean?
From or relating to the island of Lesbos. Do you want to hear the next one?
Yes.
As a noun, it means a homosexual woman. Do you want to hear the last one?
Yes.
As an adjective, it means relating to homosexual women or to homosexuality in women.
So it's pretty much saying, yes, woman on woman, right? I'm guessing that's what it means. So I just feel like that's weird. You know, I would never in my life date a lesbian. I pretty much probably would never in my life date a straight either. It's probably gonna be like bis, you know, because then they're into anything and everything. They're not into, like, I feel like bi people and like pan people are not into bottom parts, you know. They're into who you are as a person. And a lot of people, like, people just be like, oh yeah, if you have a V or if you have a P, cool, let's date. And it's like, no, like, that's weird, you know. Like, that's, I don't know, that's weird. I think that's weird. I want your guys' comments down below. I think trans guys are men, you know. If a lesbian won't date a cis guy, a lesbian's not going to be dating a trans guy, because we're the exact same. Because what's going to happen after that guy has all the surgeries? Is that lesbian still going to be happy in the relationship? Or is that lesbian going to leave the relationship? You understand? But hey, Oliver, I think is his name. You're a cool guy. You know, everyone has their own opinions. That's the way you want to live. That's the opinions you want to have, which is amazing. It's all valid. Everyone's opinions are valid. Comment down below. Everyone's opinions are valid. If we have a little debate, it's a debate, you know. But, I mean, everyone's opinion's valid at the end of the day. And, yeah, that's just kind of mine. So, yeah, those are our opinions. Like I said, they're opinions. Everyone has their own opinions. I want to hear everyone's opinions down below in the comments. Also, I have all my social medias down in the comments. Or not down in the comments, down in the description below. Go check them out. I really appreciate it. And I'll see you guys next video. Bye.